Hey, I'm Thomas.
Hey, I'm Jake.
And I'm Ryan. I'm Kevin. And I'm Father Moonshiner.
I'm Mrs. Sean.
I'm Sister Shine.
Hey, I'm Callie. Misty?
I'm Kaylee. And I'm Sissy. What the hell are you doing?
You're just saying, I'm Misty. I'm Cap's wife.
No.
Bryson. I'm Caden. Chip. I got the cat. Cole. I cook the weenies for Ryan. He at least eats 5 at a time. Yep. Retake. I'm Cole. I cook the weenies. Ryan likes them in his mouth. I'm done.
And you're watching Moonshiner Garage.
Put his face on the door, Jamie, before I could open the door.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Moonshiner Garage. It is bright and early, Monday morning. I'm out here with the beautiful Miss Shine. We just got our breakfast in us, and it's all good. Like I said, today is Monday. This is the week of Tailgate Throwdown. That's right. Tailgate Throwdown's going down. The Moonshiner's still down there because Kevin won't show up to finish putting it together. What we gotta do, get it ready. Here in the shop, I made a crucial mistake last week. Apparently, when I was cleaning the shop up, because I got a tendency of throwing stuff away, I threw away a Ziploc bag. A Ziploc bag with over 100 Tailgate Throwdown stickers in it. And, well, at $5 a piece, that's about $500. I've checked in every crevice and crack and area. Pretty much, I don't know, it's gone. So we're gonna have to spend the day making new stickers. Miss Shine will make them. I'm sure she's gonna make me peel and stick every one of them because, well, she's like that. But hey, we got all of our merch ready to go. We don't have as much merch as we normally do, but this is all gonna be coming to Tailgate Throwdown. Hats, shirts, some hoodies. Obviously, we're bringing Hot Wheels for all the kids, and then wristbands for everybody, and just what we got. That's what we're gonna bring. Hey, they're right. Mr. Piston's going with us, but if he's gonna be bright, white, and clean, because Mom said I have to give you a bath. Then we got this whole box here of nothing but some really cool stuff, you know? All this was donated to us from Bad Attitude Performance, Bad Attitude C10 YouTube channel. Some really nice stuff, actually. And so we decided we're just gonna put one big box together with a whole bunch of shit in it, stickers and bracelets and all that good stuff. You reach in there, you buy one for $5, fill out a coupon, get in the raffle. We're gonna give all that stuff away. All that stuff's being gave away. So looking forward to that. I've went through all this stuff. It is not there. It is not there. It is not there. We're gonna be loading up with Jerry Tree Service fuel. Thank goodness. That's gonna knock a little load off of old Tom Tom here. So we should have plenty of fuel to drag some ass. We also got this deal came in from Nitrous Express. Poland hooked us up. This is a 10 by 20 canopy. 10 by 20, super nice quality, big arms, big legs, just good stuff. So if you see this at Tailgate Throwdown, you want to come find us, get in the raffles, and yeah, that's about it. You got anything you want to share this morning, beautiful?
I'll be racing Friday, so come see us.
Oh, Miss Shine plans on getting in the Moonshiner and is going to run the Powder Puff if there's some other girls there that aren't scared. So that's what we got going, and that's what we got going on. And this is what we got going on. So, can we win? Can we win? Can we win the big show at Tailgate Throwdown in the Moonshiner, Piston? Oh yeah. Is. What's this give me to work with?
It's gotta be perfect.
Ain't nobody at Tailgate Throwdown worried about being perfect. Not when it comes to check time, anyway. I want 1,000 stickers before you get there. Oh, yeah, boy. That's what I'm talking about. I'll torch that one a little bit. It's all good. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my chickens, man. 4 days without my chickens? What are we gonna do about then? He's an idiot. The little grass garden's starting to do pretty good. Got a little vegetation growing up through there. Still waiting on that egg. Got about 3,000 invested. Oh, no, I paid for that one too. I bought it. Oh, I bought that one too. Yeah, that's it. No eggs.
We haven't really hit fall.
No, the most expensive eggs I've ever had.
What?
And the chickens don't even stay down here no more.
I know. They stay. Oh, here they come. They stay up there in that rose bush normally. They're running from the rose bush to the tree.
Oh, look at that bass. In case y'all can't see them, let
I
me.
can see. Listen, go on.
Here comes Butthole. It's gonna stir up the dirt where we can't enjoy the fish.
Piston, go.
What a jerk. Okay guys, that's it for Moonshiner Garage. Be the last video we drop before we get to meet all of y'all at Tailgate Throwdown, start shaking hands, kissing babies, autographing and all that good stuff. We're even gonna have a little spot for pictures with Piston. So we're looking forward to meeting each and every one of y'all there. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it over to Ryan and let's see what he's doing getting ready. I know he's probably popping tums just as fast as I am. He's a nervous wreck. He's got a lot on the line. And we're really just putting this deal together so that everybody can enjoy it and have a good time. And I think that's for sure what we're gonna do. So let's check out with Ryan. See y'all at Tailgate Throwdown.
Night before we leave, doing important stuff, like making sure the neon signs are working. Still don't have the truck loaded up, and it's like 9:30. Make no mistake, everything's perfectly fine. We're leaving in like 4 or 5 hours. All right, we got what matters working. Now we're gonna take this truck, get it clean, because I hate a dirty truck, and we just mowed and there's stuff everywhere. And Jake spritz up the tires of the old trailer. I'm gonna throw the truck in there, throw the tables and chairs and stuff we need, and we're ready to go. And 4 hours later, we're loaded. Tailgate Throwdown, here we come. Woo!